Introducing a revolution in on-set monitoring. Accsoon proudly presents the CineView M7 and M7 Pro. They're the first truly smart monitors combining a modern, intelligent operating system with high-quality, fully laminated touch displays. Expect nothing less than cinematic precision. The 7-inch displays are engineered for accurate color and tonal reproduction, with excellent contrast, deep blacks, and factory calibration out of the box. Enjoy smooth, super intuitive user interfaces and a comprehensive set of professional monitoring tools, delivering unparalleled flexibility in any production environment. What you see is what you get. With support for DCI video up to 4K 60 FPS, the M7 series lets you monitor with total confidence. Need more precision? Load your own display calibration LUTs and keep your monitor accurate down to the pixel. CineView M7 series can also function as a LUT box, allowing LUT burnt-in live view to be downstreamed via HDMI, SDI, recording, and live streaming. Both the M7 and M7 Pro have Wi-Fi built-in. Manage Media Link Pro with external storage support, a fully fledged file manager built right in, and upload directly from camera to cloud. HDMI or SDI? No problem. Cross-convert between formats, resolutions, and frame rates effortlessly, giving you total control over your video signal pipeline. The M7 Pro takes it a step further, with Accsoon's patented dual-band transmission, seamlessly connects to supported CineView transmitter for high-quality, low-latency wireless monitoring. The true all-in-one monitoring solution, accurate color reproduction, unparalleled flexibility, powered by an intelligent, upgradable OS. This is CineView M7 and M7 Pro. The future of smart monitoring has arrived.